What's good, YouTube? It's your boy OD back again with another video from Mad Trucks. Today, now that we got the F250 back, we're gonna be doing some of the things I wanted to do, some of the final like finishing touches on it. So today I'm gonna be messing with this grill. So let me see if you can see that. I'm gonna keep this black grill because I do like the way that looks, but I'm gonna test out how a color match, the color matched grill with the mesh insides is gonna look. I'll show you that in a minute. So that's all I'm gonna be doing today. Got the dually over here collecting dust. He look clean though. He's looking clean. I ain't drove it in a while since I got the 250 back. But it's 250 time. The 250 sat for a long time. It sat, but the beast is back. Working on a few kinks on it. I got a Fickum. I'm gonna be changing the Fickum out on it. One of my Fickums, the original Fickum that came with this truck, the power supply went out on it. So I got another one from the junkyard. And I feel like that new one that I got was from a different year or something, because it doesn't seem to have the same amount of like pickup off the line to my old Fickum. So I ordered one of those power supplies from Bulletproof Diesel, the cheaper ones. I'm gonna put that in my original power supply, my original Fickum, and install that probably sometime in the near future. I won't do a video on installing it because there's so many, but I will do a video on if it was any difference. And if there was a difference, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. I'm gonna set up this grill real quick and show you guys what it looks like right now before I put the mesh back in it. I painted it yesterday, put 1 can color matched paint and 1 can of clear. So it was about 5 coats, maybe 4 coats of paint, 4 coats of clear. And it's all right. I mean, I could have did a better job, but I kind of just wanted to get it done and get on there. If I do like it, I'll end up doing it again and doing it a little better. So let me get that. Let's check out what we got. Okay, so here is the outer portion of the grill that I painted. And I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I'll show you where it's not that great, and that's on the top, which just kind of sucks. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's a little light up here. Oh, like right here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can't really see it on camera, but it's a little light in some places. But overall, it's going to do good enough to see what it looks like. And like I said, if I like it, I'll redo it. Ain't no big deal. Couple cans of paint. Ain't no big deal. Sand it back down. And here's the mesh insert I got to put in. And I'm going to take this off. I just want it to be clean. I might end up putting something in there later, but so I'm going to install this grill back in. It just goes in with some screws that are on these tabs right here, all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll put her on. So I'll let you guys see what it looks like when that's in. Well, there you have it. The mesh grill is all put in, bolted up. Not too bad. I don't know how good that's coming across on the camera, but it's in nice and securely. So put this down. Time to take the grill off of that, get this baby mounted up, and we'll see what it looks like on the truck. And just real quick, to take this grill off is really, really easy. You just take these little bolts off right here, 4 bolts right here, and then you can't see, but down in here, there's just some pull tabs, and you use a pry bar to pry those out. And so once you take these off, this will come forward, and then you'll get down there with the pry bar from inside up here. You take the pry bar and just kind of pry those tabs out that are down in here. It's real easy. So we got the grill off, and I noticed that my AC, I forgot what this is called, but it's for the AC, got some bugs in it. So I'm gonna try to clean this off before I put that grill on with a little wire brush, nice and gently. See if I can clean that out a little bit. And then we'll get that grill on, boys and girls, and see what we got. Nice. Man, this thing looks so nice. So nice. You gotta love the 6.0s. You gotta love the 6.0s. Sitting pretty. So I'm just using these 2 little wire brushes. Let's get some better light. So these 2 wire brushes right here, this one's a little bit harder. This one's softer and smaller. Just little wire brushes, got these at Harbor Freight, they're cheap. So it's looking a lot better. Nice and clean in there. No bugs. And for those of you guys that don't know where your outside temperature sensor is, it is right here, and it's easy to change. So if your temp inside, you start noticing that it stays off for a long time, it doesn't ever kind of balance with the outside temperature, you might need to change this little guy that just hangs right there. It's just clipped in. I've actually changed mine just for the heck of it. They're not expensive, so I just changed it a while back. All right, let's get this grill on. Look at him. Look at him. That's crazy how a grill can just transform. Can just transform the way your vehicle looks. All right, hold on, let me, oh, that kind of looks clean. I think I'm liking it, guys. Let's go back here. I am liking it. I am liking it. All right, let's put the hood down. All right, fellas. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. The color matching is okay, but of course, my paint is faded. This is an 05, so this is original 05 paint. So it doesn't match 100%, but it's clean. It's clean. I think it's clean. I'm gonna roll this for a while and see how it grows on me. And like I said, I might end up repainting it. I'll let this one get nicked up and all that good stuff, and then repaint it. But I do like the look. I do like the look, guys. All right, well, that's all for today. A quick, short one. I do have the same MBRP exhaust you saw me put on my dually, the 5-inch catback. Like I said, I'm gonna be putting that on the big beast too, because I love the way that MBRP sounds. And again, we're in California, so we can't really mess with our exhaust and do straight piping like I see everywhere else. Man, I wish I could. I see these guys in Texas and Tennessee and all these places with the straight pipe. I love the way it sounds, but can't do it out here in Cali, man. Well, it's your boy OD with another quick little video, putting that grill on the F-250. Take another look. And one thing, they do have a couple of different styles. These honeycomb grill. They have one that's a little bit bigger. I wanted the smallest one I can find. I did get this from, I got this on Amazon. They're fairly cheap. But make sure if you like this look with the small honeycombs, make sure they're not all the same. So you got to look at the pictures really closely and make sure you're getting the one with the small ones. If you like the small ones. If you like the big ones, go for the big ones. I like the small ones. All right, fellas. It's your boy OD from Mad Trucks. I'm out.